behalf?
No, you can't say it on their behalf. You could really dictate them word for word. All these people, I paid them the visit, none of them speak Arabic. None of them. Letter by letter. Say, أعوذ, أعوذ, بعزة الله. He says, بعزة الله. I'm sure that he could say Allah. That's why it's been chosen to be a very small dua. If the person can't talk, that's something else. But if he could talk, you have to be patient with him. And don't push him. Slowly, slowly.
Could you do that in the Ruqya for the mas as well?
Sorry?
When someone has the mas of the jinn, can you do
The mess of the jinn. Who said masah like this. Mess of the jinn. Can I say the jinn? Khwani, the jinn possession is a type of illness as well. But there is the jinn possession as in the jinn in you, and there is the jinn result of being in you or doing harm to you. What is the harm? So the harm we do for the ruqya. So he made it pain in the head, pain in the chest, pain in the arm. We'll do like Abu Uthman, here this one, Ibn al-As, he's the one who had possession. So Allah's Messenger gave him ruqya for the pain. But as for the possession itself, then there are other ruqyat, as the Prophet ﷺ had done for that boy, the child who took him on his lap and he opened his mouth, he blows into him and he said, get out on him of Allah, get out of him, and he recited the Fatiha as well onto him. So that was for the jinn. And also the Prophet ﷺ, he had Jibreel alayhi salam and Mikael coming to his head when he was under the magic spell of Labid ibn al-Asam, the Jewish who made the magic on him. They made the ruqya and the mu'awwidhatan came because of him. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِالْفَلَقِ and قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ, because of that jinn. So because of that magic, and the magic is involved with the jinn. There's magic has to be involved with shayateen. It's always involved with shayateen, the magic. They call it the black magic. And the Prophet of Allah, he was under the spell, not his revelation. Under the spell, that means he used to see something that he doesn't do it. Like for example, approaching his wives during the day, but it's not true. But in terms of revelation and Quran, that hasn't been touched. And Ikhwani, you have to understand that the magic, it doesn't mean it has to have every single limb in the body. No. We know for the prophets, heads and heart are secured because they're infallible. Head, brain, intellect and heart are what? Safe. Jinn cannot approach them. But other than that, pain in the leg, pain in the, okay. As for Musa alayhi salam, he had said, Allah he said that, خُيِّلَ إِلَيْهِ, it's been given to him impression, min sihrihim, from their magic. So the magic of those people or the magicians made him to believe that these sticks moving, these ropes are moving. So it had actually deceived the Prophet in terms of eye-wise, but in terms of revelation, no. Intellect and the heart are safe against الصوصري. نعم. تفضل يا عم.